Please make an appointment with your tutor about work. It is necessary to attend the laboratory introduction. We are delighted to have Professor Robert to join our faculty. It is compulsory to attend the laboratory instruction. The paper must be reviewed thoroughly and appropriately.
Answers. Question number 1. Please make an appointment with your tutor about work. Question number 2. It is necessary to attend the laboratory introduction. Question number 3. We are delighted to have Professor Robert to join our faculty. Question number 4. It is compulsory to attend the laboratory instruction. Question number 5. Many governments found that it was difficult to reduce poverty in our society.